It is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, and we are going to review Category 3 just a little bit more today. Again, reporting Category 3 is over geometry and measurement. Specifically, we're looking at proportionality, expressions, equations, and relationships, and two-dimensional shapes. So I've just got some practice to go through today. Press pause while you work out the problem, and then press play when you're ready to check your answers. Question number 1. Use an algebraic representation to explain the reduction graphed below. All right, the answer here is D. Grab a pen here. The answer is D because our scale factor is 1/4. Now, I went ahead and crossed out C and A because we know that if we have a reduction, then the scale factor has to be less than 1. So our answer choices are really between B and D. And remember, to find scale factor, our formula is new over old. So you can use any point here to use to plug in to find that scale factor. Question number 2. What are the effects on X and Y after rotating the figure 270 degrees clockwise to the shaded figure? So use those rules that we are supposed to have memorized. Press play when you're ready to check your answer. All right, our rule for a rotation of 270 degrees clockwise is negative yx. So those are the x and y coordinates are going to change positions, and the y is going to change signs. So the answer here is B. Question number 3. What is the measure of angle A? All right, so this is our exterior angle theorem. So we know that A plus whatever the 2x plus 6 is has to be 180 degrees. Okay, so I first solved for x. I know that 3x plus 2x plus 6 has to equal 180 degrees. Those are the angles here inside the triangle. So I can combine all of my x's. So 3x plus x plus 2x is equal to 6x. So I simplified that equation first to become 6x plus 6 is equal to 180. Then I subtracted 6 on both sides, leaving me with 6x is equal to 174. And then divide by 6 on both sides. So I know that x is equal to 29. If x is equal to 29, then I can solve for this angle right here. So 2 times 29 plus 6 is 64. So this angle measurement right here is 64 degrees. Then I subtract 180 from 64. So the measure of angle A is 116 degrees. Number 4, 2 parallel lines are cut by the transversal. What is the measure of angle A? Using those angle relationships that we know of, if 106 is our known angle, we know we can subtract that from 180 degrees to get our second angle of 74. 74 and angle A are corresponding angles, so the measure of angle A is 74 degrees. Number 5, the two triangles are similar. What is the measure of the indicated angle? Okay, so we know that the angles inside a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. So if you add 19 plus 83, you get 102. So 180 minus 102 is 78. So this angle right here is 78 degrees. And we also know that similar triangles, their sides are similar, but their angles are the same. They are congruent angles. So this angle measurement is also 78 degrees. And number 6, the figure below was reflected over the y-axis. What are the effects on x and y? So what happens when you have a reflection over the y-axis? Remember that when you reflect over the y-axis, the x-coordinate changes sign, so the answer here is A. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you today for that quick review.